Myself Prashant Shetty, Director Samarth Engineering Services. We are in CNC manufacturing. We are located in Pune near Nanded city on Siangad Road, as well as in Shirwar and in Belgaum, that is in Karnataka. From 2004, and from that time we are connected with LMW, that is Lakshmi Machine Works. We are working in different sectors like auto components, hydraulic fittings, damper pulleys, defense sector. Then we are manufacturing some components which are used in medical surgical equipments, and we are very happy that in each field LMW machine is satisfying our needs. We have bought these two machines recently, so with this we have 20 plus LMW machines with us, and we are manufacturing this component almost to the tune of 1 lakh per month on these machines. And in addition to that, we have machined this component on these two machines, and we are planning to manufacture more components like this in near future on these machines. We are very happy with Aston 1 series, and we hope that in near future we'll buy some more. See the chip disposal area, a lot of chip disposal area we are having as compared with the other series, and we are having 200 chuck with we can turn around 320 millimeter dia on this machine, and the footprint is very less, and we can take away the chips from back side of the machine. So it is very comfortable from operator's point of view to operate this machine, having a lot of chip disposal area and good power with 200 chuck and all that. It's a very nice machines. We look forward to buy these machines and their further models if LMW is ready to supply to us. In near future also we are planning say 10-15 machines, and definitely we would like to go for this LMW brand. Accuracy wise, repeatability wise, they are definitely different from their from the other Indian manufacturers in many ways, and the service is also good, and repeatability is good, and hand holding that I said just, that is also very nice. So we are in hydraulic fittings. We have already manufactured almost 25-30 different hydraulic fittings for export purpose, and particularly this job we manufacture it for components used in medical surgical equipments, and these polygroove pulleys which are supplied to Cummins, Tata Cummins, the big companies like Cummins. As well as we have manufactured some components which are used in defense. These are fuse bodies. We have manufactured almost 20,000, 25,000 components for defense also. And every time we never came across, we didn't observe any limitations from machining point of view. LMW satisfied all our needs, and every time there is not a single evidence that the machine is not capable of doing some things or like that. Initially, I have worked with Kirloskars, and I have seen a lot of good machines in that company, and definitely when I started my firm, so we are in MSME, but LMW is equally good as compared with the foreign manufacturers. Definitely we recommend these machines to some of our vendors, and our vendors are also having LMW machines, and they are also having the same impression what we have. The other thing is when we come across some new application, new technical application, the hand holding of LMW with us is very good, and we can cope up with new jobs, new intricacies, so that we can do different types of jobs in different fields and different sectors. Thank you LMW, thank you LMW team, thanks a lot. We'll work together in a longer duration and will definitely need your help in our next adventures. Thank you so much.